question is about the EN 13128, and the question is, what is exactly EN 13128?
So that's the standard for airtightness, or doing airtightness tests.
Okay. And also, I have forwarded the question, but I made a mistake, actually. It was a question that I've put in the chat because for some reason I couldn't put it in the Q&A panel. Since the scheme is not mandatory in Denmark, what is the benefit for testers to be certified?
Could you give me the question once more?
Yes, since the scheme is not mandatory in Denmark, what is the benefit for testers to be certified? What do they gain to be certified?
They will get an understanding of how to do tests correctly, and they will get a certificate, which hopefully will enable them to be better than the rest, which doesn't do anything. We have a lot of testers which do tests with no technical insight on how to do airtightness testing. That's a problem. So this is one of the ways to improve the quality of testing.
Okay, but then that means that is it? Do they have more business thanks to this?
Yes. And,
okay.
Being more organized, and you can also use the secretary of the association for help. Let's say you have a technical problem, you can discuss the problem with them, and that's part of being a member.
Okay. And then there's another question, which is, what is the cost for the certification of testers?
It's about 30,000 Danish kroner, I think. That's for the company. It's expensive. It costs almost the same as buying a new blower door. But the members surrounding this type of quality assurance, they want to pay for that, and they can see a business in it.
Okay, and yes, well, the cost you mentioned is about 4,000 euros when you translate it in. Yes. Yes. So I guess there must be a problem with the standard number you gave, because it's a standard on machine tools. So there must be a problem there, but I don't think we can solve this online. Maybe after the event you can provide this information. And then there's another question regarding the certification. Is the certification mandatory to perform airtightness tests, or is it for now just a proof of quality? So I think that was partly answered in what you said before.
Yes. Yeah, it's a tricky question. What we want is to get quality in airtight testing, and that's the whole idea. And you can't do that without having a quality assurance of the company you work for. Mm-hmm. So it's everything down from the bill. And also the knowledge you have to prove in some way, and since there's no official education for doing airtightness testing, this is a way to improve the quality of the airtightness testing in Denmark.